Do you want to truly understand the Quran and learn the Arabic language anywhere, any age? Learn online from the comfort of your own home. Welcome to Online Arabic Language Center, OALC, a trusted platform for authentic online Islamic education. At OALC, we offer short, effective, and result-oriented courses, including basic Qur'anic Qaida, Quran with Tajweed, translation and Tafseer of the Quran, Arabic language and grammar, Nahv and Sarf, Hadith Aqeeda, Seerat-un-Nabi, Urdu Language and Islamic studies. Special offer: learn as many courses as you want, plus access to Arabic grammar books, all provided by OALC. Online classes available via Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet. Certifications provided. Receive certificates after completing each level and course. Learn under the guidance of Dr. Asadullah Soomro Al-Azhari, Cairo, Egypt. Director, OALC. WhatsApp, +20 155 3659 1166 +92 316 306 3414. Email earabiclanguage@gmail.com. Enroll today and begin your journey toward authentic Islamic knowledge.